Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike, back with another video, of course. You know, we're featuring our girl Bailey, and let's just say last video we left off with exhaust, and let's just say I brought my old rims to a shop to get the tires taken off, and they ended up having my exact rims used. So I bought them and I had them swap my tires onto them. So you guys didn't get to see that, but that's this is the bike right here on wheels. Like, in theory, this bike could roll out of here. I do have to change out my rear axle though, because the head of this bolt was all messed up, so the bolt won't thread back onto it, which is fine. That's supposed to be here tomorrow. But the surprise today, little do you guys know, the surprise today is in that big box, and that little box, and that box. So as you can see, there's a bolt kit and something that have to do with TST Industries. And then you got this big box. So I don't know if you guys can put two and two together, but we doing it now. We doing it. All right. I did cut this open already, so let's just see what we got. I'm very excited. I'm also very nervous. I literally have not opened anything, so. All right. All right, guys. So I know I did say that I was gonna do a poll to help pick out colors for the plastics on this bike. But I came across a deal that I'd be stupid to say no to. And the shipping time on it was super quick. And like I showed you guys before, the bike's like practically there. So that is, in theory, why I did go with this colorway. I did originally want to do this colorway on my bike before the whole accident. Yeah, I genuinely love the red on that bike. But it's just too flashy. As good as it looks in the sunlight, it's just, I don't know, I kind of get like that hot boy vibes off of it. Like, I'm trying to be cool, but I don't really care about that. I think the white is kind of more of a subtle flex. It's still got really good paint to it. I mean, I doubt my camera will pick it up, but it's definitely exactly what I wanted. And like I said, I was shopping around online. I was kind of trying to get a couple colors picked out for you guys, and I came across this, and I couldn't say no. So I'm sorry about that, but look at this, man. The bike's about to be back together. We got all the plastics. The exhaust is fully on this thing. We got rims fully on this thing. So this bike's ready to rumble. Yeah, so now that we got all that off, I'm gonna just kind of lay out plastics next to each other, see if I have to transfer any like rubber bushings or anything over, and then kind of just go from there. Alright, you know what, guys? Instead of me trying to do this all in here, and since we got rims on this bike, technically it's a fully functioning bike, we're gonna roll it out. Get in my way, I do not play. Baby, I'm shining through the day. Can't have it any other way. It's like I'ma take it. Look at her. Look at her. Moving under her own too. Like a good girl she is. Ooh, wee, scoop. Alright guys, I figured it makes no sense. I'm working in the shade. The bike's all crammed in here. So the bike is out, as you've seen from that clip. I got the bike out. I got parts everywhere, but man, look at this thing in the daylight already. I literally just put gas tank fairings on and I'm already in love. But yeah, I just wanted to pull the bike out into the sunlight. Look at those rims too. I'ma take it day by day. Can't let them get in my way. I do not play. Baby, I'm shining through the day. Can't have it any other way. It's like I'ma take it day by day. Can't let them get in my way. I do not Oh man, look at this. Obviously I don't have the bike fully together, but just take a look at this. Oh my God. I'm actually so excited I went with this colorway. Let's see, I have this side pretty much done as well. Oh man, look at that. I love the white front end and then the red tail. It looks so good, and then with the black rims. I actually didn't think I was gonna like it with the black rims and the red stripes on them, but dude, that looks so good. Oh man, oh man. All right guys, well, I lost some footage. I don't know what the heck happened to it. It just went completely MIA. So sadly, all that footage is gone. But good news. Good news. I'll show you guys. She's done. Oh man. Yeah, I know. You can still see. See, it's still banged up. I ordered a carbon fiber cover because I'm not gonna have anybody on this back seat, so don't worry about that right now. But just take a look. Just take a look at this gorgeous thing. Oh man, I got the badges on the gas tank. No front mirrors, of course. Why would we do that? I lost them anyways in the accident, so I can't even. And this is the good side. This is the good side, if we know why. Because there's a pipe. Just hiding. You don't even realize it until it's pointed out. I love it. Obviously, I still have to replace this too, but this is all as in a fully functioning bike. This bike does everything it needs to do now. Everything else is cosmetic-wise. I got rear axle in, brand new. Everything's nice, Loctited. I had to switch over front rotors because my rotors from the accident were actually a little bent. Good to know. So now I got some new rotors on here. And yeah, I mean, this thing just looks crazy now. So that's Betsy. That is the transformation on Mike's Mistakes rebuild. This 2024 Honda CBR600 is officially back in action. Like I said, everything left is pretty much just all cosmetic wise, but I don't care about that. As long as I can get some street time back on this thing, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna order those things in the next couple weeks, get this bike fully back looking amazing like it just came off the showroom floor. But for now, I mean, hey guys, we have a bike. And if you know what that means we can start getting some content riding this thing. So I'm gonna have to get myself a little GoPro. I wanna get an Insta360. I gotta figure out a mic setup for the helmet. And I also wanna get a helmet, a new helmet. I have an old helmet that I don't really like. It doesn't match the bike at all. So I am gonna end up getting a new helmet, and we're gonna set that whole thing up. I cannot wait, but I'm glad you guys are here for this journey. Also, I got the new taillight, new TST taillight. So grateful. I love this taillight. This is the original taillight I had, but it broke. So huge shout out to my boy Johnny. He ended up buying me one as a little getting back on your bike gift. I really appreciate that. That's so awesome. And then this is the undercover that I was kind of telling you guys about. So this whole bottom end of the bike is completely covered now, which looks so much better. And I guess, I mean, why wouldn't we get a cold start for the boys? So let's see. Show you guys the dash. There we are. Get a little cold start. Oh man, I love this bike so much. Such a beautiful bike. Oh my lord, baby. Alright guys, so with all that being said, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because this thing is a full ripper now. She's back in action, 100%. We're gonna get her on the road soon, but she's a ripper. And we rebuilt her with our own 2 hands, so that's that. Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Not for me, but for the CBR and for Bales. So until the next video, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let's talk about me and you. When we together, it's like I'm really see-through. I could be right next to you and not feel you.